everyone, in this video I want to show you a small but powerful improvement in Odoo 19.1 sales module easier product variant pricing. So this is the best updation that you can find in the sales module. So don't skip this out. So at first it may seem very minor to you guys, but this cheat saves time on every quotation very easily because it's reduce different kind of tackles and it's actually saves you time very easily. So I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's head over to the sales module first. So once you are there, if you are moving to the product itself, there you can find different product have different variants. So let me take this black embroidered t-shirt at 8 variants, and moving on to the variants, there we have different variants. So by clicking on any of the variant, you can simply change the sales price. But if you are taking this as comparing with Odoo 19, you all know that we don't have to change the sales price. So if I want to change the sales price very easily, I can do it by giving $800 or something like this. I can manually save this, and this will also update in your variants. Okay, so you all have a doubt. So what happens inside Odoo 19? Let me show you the comparison. So, okay. Moving on to Odoo 19, here we have the sales module. And if I'm moving to the product side, and there we have the product, the same product. I'm taking the same product, which is black embroidered t-shirt. And moving on to the variants, there we have the black embroidered t-shirt. And there you can see under the pricing section, the sales price cannot be changed. So the sale price is managed from the product template. Click on the configured variants, and there we can see the button to set the extra attribute price and everything. So we can't change the value or the sales price inside Odoo 19. Okay, so it may look simple or small changes, but this is very useful for you guys if you are selling furniture or apparel, electronics, or configurable product. This is very helpful to you guys. Okay, so with this improvement, quotation are created faster, pricing errors are reduced, sales workflow feels very smoother. Okay, so to sum up, Odoo 19.1 makes product variant pricing simpler, faster, and more practical. So that's all about this video. So moving back to the Odoo 19.1. This is so easier to do. Okay, so thanks for watching and stay tuned for Odoo 19.6 more updates. And I'll be back with different updates in Odoo 19.1, different modules, which is the core modules and everything. So till that, bye-bye.